get some chopstick because I told you my blue chopstick.
She fed it to the dog.
It's looking well, I can hold my head and I think, oh yeah, I can see.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sakit yung tiyan ko. Ano na? What time it is? It's 58 in the morning. And I'm just having my coffee. And also, I'm writing some. This is the planner. What I'm gonna do for my video. I write it down that I won't forget because I forget really easy. Just forget really quick. And so I wrote it down what I have to do. You guys, diba yung lip gloss ko, yung blue original. Meron akong 4. Kinain ni Roxy yung 2. 4 or 3. Meron akong kinain ni Roxy yung 2 kasi nilagay ko dito. I put the chopstick on this table. Eat it, and I punished her every time she does that. She just eat my flip-flops. You crazy dog. You crazy dog. Are you crazy dog? Yes, you're crazy dog. You're my crazy dog. You are my crazy dog. I love my crazy dog. Yes, yes. You just sit there and look at me the right thing over here, okay? This is for your future. This is the story of Mama and Dada. Hi guys. Ngayon lang ako bumalik. Kasi naman sobra nang ginawa. Sabi ng asawa ko may ano daw, may snow pa daw doon sa ano. Mag-snow daw bukas at saka may snow daw doon sa bahay ko. Marami pa akong i-film kaso wala ako nandito ako. So I really want to film in my house, not over here, but I don't have a choice. So I guess I have to film that over here. I don't have a choice. What I'm going to do is clean the brushes. Hi guys, if you haven't seen, I know I kind of look nice today. Okay, I kind of look nice. I'm just done filming this look. It's very nice, it's unique. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it off because I'm gonna make another video. And yeah, I'm gonna make another makeup look. And I'm gonna make a story time. And yeah, so it's kind of like, if you haven't watched this video, how I did this guys, and what this all about, you should watch it. It's probably already on my channel. It's probably already uploaded. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching of that.
I didn't think we could fall in love. Broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart, but we're all in one. Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we?
Good morning guys. Time check, it is 7:33 in the morning, and you see that dog waiting for the bread. He loves challah and he loves what kind of bread is this? Croissants. Today is Sunday, guys. It's raining. I can tell that outside car is wet, so it's been raining. Morning. Yes, because oh shit, that's hot. Okay, I think that's done. He's right here relaxing before he goes to shower. I love my butt. You sure you don't want it? Even just one egg to egg. Have a little sun in here. Open a little bit, not like too witchy. You know, parang wak-wak guys. Nagtago sa dilim. Rip the bread. And then I'll take the inside part. The inside part is for him. Yeah, and then I will roll a little bit. You don't eat it? You don't want to eat it? Yeah.
I got an appointment for a car. I gotta go in the shop.
Which car?
The white car.
Hi guys, I know it is late. It's time I left long time ago. Anyway, it's 12:42 in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. Before I'm going to take a shower this time, I really have to clean my brushes. I've been talking about this for like how many weeks. Oh my god, so dirty now. But you know, I don't really put makeup all the time, so it's not really that like crazy like from other people that they make up every day, every day. Okay, i-blow dry ko lang tong hair ko at saka balik na naman ako sa baba. Saka i-charge ko tong battery kasi patay na naman, patay. It's 9 o'clock already. I haven't vlogged the whole day. And then I'm watching this weird show from sci-fi. They always have a weird show, so. Look who's here. Look who's here. Look who's here. Look who's here now. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, look at it. Please look at it.
First of all, can't you plug this camera in when you're using it instead of the battery?
Yes, you can, but no.
So when you're doing something like
That's why I
what
get
you
the
did,
other.
wouldn't that be the smarter way to do it?
Yeah, I don't know if I have the wire, but anyway guys, good morning. I just like I'm doing something on my laptop. What did I do?
Editing video.
Both no. Yes, I have to edit videos, but there is I'm making thumbnails to my
Me too, I'm making thumbnails. Not thumbnails.
Oh my god. He need a haircut, guys. Oh shit.
What?
It's low bud. Hi guys, my annoying husband is with me and already annoying me. And I'm low bad as always. Silly is over here.
So where you wanna go?
Wherever you go, you're driving. So anyway guys, we just dropped Thomas' nephews to school and then we're stopping Walgreens to get some chopstick because I told you my blue chopstick,
She
the
fed it to the dog.
dog ate it all.
She fed it to the dog.
No, Roxy got it.
Fed it to the dog.
Guys.
She said, here dog, eat some chapstick. It's good for your lips.
It's Valentine's Day. I forgot. I'm gonna get some card for my baby. I'm just gonna do it tomorrow without him. I'm gonna looking for chopstick and I don't know where's the chopstick. Rox. Come here, Rox. There's something in your nose. There's something in your nose. What's that in your nose? What is it?
You, it's probably your finger.
What is that? What is that in your nose? Look. There's something on your nose. What is that? There's something on top of your nose. Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you get it? Get it. Look at that. Huh? Isn't it? Oh, you took it off. I'm getting ready. And then, this wind is crazy. I think it's 50 kilometer per hour, the wind. You know, it's very strong. I'm just getting ready because I'm ready to film a video. And, yeah, I know it's late. Guys, tapos na akong guys, punta na lang ako siya biya-biya. Tapos na akong nag-film nung story time namin ni Tami. Hello. Nag-i-edit lang ako ng video. Umalis na yung sister-in-law ko at saka yung asawa niya. So Tami is here. Tami is right there, playing with Hubsy Boy. And I'm editing some video transfer actually. And my laptop is full, like crazy full. How many is that? That is taking space for my laptop. That 100 plus. It's not looking at me, guys.
What? It's a big laptop.
So
24 gigabytes of.
Yeah. So every time every time I transfer clips from this day that I'm using right now to this, every time I do move few clips, it's like full. Every time I edit full. So I have to hurry up, like do it like that. So I don't even know that you can clear that up like that. So he did clear it up, so now I have a lot of space.
Out 100.
Huh? It went 100 down, right?
Out 100 down. Well, you can't.
Oh, he hunted down.
It make it hard to get into the library folders in a Mac. I mean, there's a way to do it, and I can't remember how, but it's not, you know, it's just a matter of knowing that command.
Anyway, I am making some, well, oven make that. I'm just gonna season it lamb for them. I'm gonna have chicken and the bihon, guys. The
You
canton.
like lamb?
I won't try that then. Okay, I wanna try it. And we still have chicken anyway. And I'm making some bihon with the vegetables, like the canton, guys, the yellow color pasta. So I'm gonna make that with mixed vegetables from Trader Joe's. Anyway, guys, I'm really sorry, guys. I know most of you think that I have a twin, and you're kind of disappointed.
I don't think they think that.
No, some of you guys comment like, you know, they thought that they expect that I have a real twin. It's just edited. I film it different look. At the same time, I just edited it. Even my sister-in-law think that she kind of debating if I really do have a twin sister. You think she really think I have a twin sister?
I don't know. Seems like.
She seems like she think, right, that I have a twin sister. Even though it's really obvious, the editing part, but if you don't really pay attention
Yeah,
to
but
that.
she thinks your twin sister filmed herself over there and sent it to you, and then you edited it in here. So you'd be sitting together even though you're on different parts of the world. That's what she thought. She didn't.
Okay. So she think that I really have a twin sister in the Philippines and film herself and send it to me, and I edited it. Blew my mind. I wish I have a twin sister, guys. I really do wish I have a twin sister. And she think I'm the ugly, the one that have me wearing the glasses one. She think I'm the one that was like nice and nice looking. That's my twin. I said I like the other one, the one that curly hair.
It's like, well, I hold my head and I think, oh yeah, but I can see.
Not bad. Okay. I'm also making some what do you call this? It's already boiled. The, how do you call it? the pasta, the canton. And this one I got this from stir-fried vegetables from Trader Joe's. Yeah, I got this from them. And I got two of this. I got two. And ilalagay ko lang ito doon. Okay, I'm just gonna put this over there. Where's Roxy? What are you doing over there? What my Roxy doing over there? Okay, so yun guys. It's a good mix of vegetables. Lagyan ko siya ng calamansi. Masarap siya tingnan. Yun, nagka-crunchy-crunchy na siya guys. Masarap na yan. Talagang masarap na masarap. Bukas guys, early in the morning, Tammy and I were going to go back to Subaru where we get the car because the defroster in the back of the car, it doesn't work, so we have to bring it back and let them fix it. Let's see if they can fix it. I'm sure they can. They have mechanics over there in their dealer, so yun lang. So I will see you later. Hi guys, kakahilamos ko lang. I don't even accomplish anything today. Bag, enough with that. Hobbs, behave. Yeah, so I'm ready to go lie down guys. It's freezing cold in this house. At least the wind slowed down this morning until I think that was 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The wind, or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, the wind is crazy. Like, oh my god, it's crazy. I can hear it like that. I really love the lamp. I like the lamp. So anyway guys, I'm not gonna stay long and I will see you. Bye guys, good night. Han, your kids, Han. Holy cow, Han, look, oh. Bakit itong mga bag may mga buslok, Han?